Yeah. I'm the man, boy. I'm the man, boy. I'm a old sender with the upper hand, boy.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today, one of my viewers is coming by to get some work done. He wants to make his car louder.
Wait, I'll shoot you with this, bro. I'll shoot you with this, and then you talk.
F-type, we're going to make it louder. We're going to be decatting the downpipes. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's a good opportunity to do it because I didn't really make a guide on it the first time. So I'm excited to try it out. Let's get started. First thing we'll do is just kind of get a little startup sound to get a before and after going. Because I'm excited to see what it sounds like afterwards.
Damn.
Oh, it's bad.
Oh, it's gonna.
That's loud, man.
Wait, I might.
That's way louder than that if you're into that kind of.
Wait, I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think right now.
It's like, it's loud, but. Okay, so what we need to do first is we need to get the car up on basically all four sides. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive up these two ramps, and then I'm gonna lift the back up and put it on two jack stands. That way the car is level and ready to be worked on from underneath, because all the work is pretty much done underneath, nothing really on the hood. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna spray some PV Blaster on all of the nuts and bolts before we work on it. What this is gonna do is dissolve all the rust so that when we break them loose, it's not gonna seize on us. So I'm gonna go and work on the mid pipe.
Wow, that was strong.
It is. That one came off. I think I can get to him if I remove the heat shields on both sides of the transmission. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so we got the front O2 sensors off. I'm just gonna let that hang there. I got the rear O2 sensors hanging over here. I have two extensions to reach that far in, plus my breaker bar here. Alright. Let's see if I can get this bolt off.
Or keep pulling. Good shit, bro. Off. There you go. That was a baby. Yeah. That was a twin. I know.
This is the passenger side of the catalytic converter. As you can see, we just took it out.
You have to leave it in there. Alright guys, like 4 hours later, we got the downpipes on. Now I'm just tightening the O2 sensors, but I will tell you one thing, this is not easy. We've been here for a long time and I'm really tired. I haven't eaten dinner yet, but I'm just dedicated to the job, you know. I'll help you guys out, so hit me up if you need anything, any help on your cars. I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
Alright. You worried, man? Alright. So it's finally almost 11 o'clock at night. We finally finished decatting the F-type. We're gonna start it up for you guys and show you how it sounds. It's crazy, yeah.
Shout out to Sal's Garage.
Yeah, and shout out to
Subscribe and like this video because he did an incredible job underneath this thing. It's crazy. It's not that I expected.
Yeah,
it was way more complicated than I thought.
Yeah, I don't know. Anytime, man. So we're gonna start it up here in a bit. I'm just cleaning up and getting all these tools back in the house, and then we'll start it up for you guys. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. the cold start.
Dude, the pops is the best thing. The best thing what I noticed, the noise actually goes down.
You're not knowing.
Dude, no, this is bro. It sounds good, bro.
All right. Oh, it's not bad at all.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not annoying.
Oh, that sounds good. Woo! Oh, the pops. To the right, to the right. Nice. Wow. Whoa, those pops are perfect. That is insane, bro. What the hell?
I'm not even trying.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What the
It sounds amazing.
man, that is
Dude, shout out to Sal's Garage on YouTube, bro. This is insane. This is like, I feel like I got a new car, bro. Like,
the pops is my favorite thing.
the cold start is good. It's not annoying.
It's just right, man.
Just a little high.
Yeah, man. What the hell? Dude.
Bro, I don't know what to say, dude. I don't know what to
That
say.
sounds-
I'm
that sounds
speechless.
good.
I'm speechless. This is not what I expected.
And like I said, man, if you want to clean up the sound a little, resonators, easy.
to clean it up.
If you want to clean up the rasp, it's a little raspy. I don't know if you care, but if you
I
want
don't really
to
care.
get the rasp out, resonators, like the ones that I use in my video, that'll fix it. But right now, this guy loves the sound, and I love it. I love it too, man. That's crazy. Listen to that, man. Dude, man, that sounds perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is in automatic mode.
Automatic mode.
It's not droning, surprisingly, despite being completely straight piped. I mean, this guy did add an X pipe to his resonator, so that helps. It does help.
Sounds crazy.
The X pipe is crucial for this setup.
sounds so
If you want to copy mine and his setup, you need an X pipe for the
he's
resonator.
the Bob the Builder, everything, aka everything that you, bro, I don't know what to say, man. This is
Yeah.
crazy. It sounds good. Like it's better than I expected. It's crazy.
I'm very impressed with how it sounded. I thought it was going to sound really, really loud and really, really raspy. It is raspy, but it's not too raspy. You can park anywhere here.
That will remove the raspiness. Will remove it.
The resonator,
for sure.
Resonator, yeah, right over here. And it'll bring the volume down a little bit, which I don't know if you want to. This is like perfect volume.
No, I really like this right
Yeah,
now.
this
I'm gonna
is
have fun with
this is great, man. So the idle sounds nice. Check out this rear diffuser, so aggressive. And this crazy wing. Man, that is insane. This is the craziest F-Type I've ever seen, for sure. We're about to head out to In-N-Out to eat some dinner because I haven't eaten dinner at all ever since getting off work. I just straight up worked on this guy's car for like 5 hours straight, so I'm really hungry. Thank you so much for watching the whole video, and if you guys, you know, if you have something that's a lot easier to do than this, I would gladly do it for you guys. It made for good content. It was nice to hear a super loud F-Type. It's louder than mine for sure. It's definitely raspy, but I told him he can fix it with some resonators because he's completely straight pipe, no muffler at all. It's just nothing, you know. So it's expected for it to sound insane like that. That sounds like a Formula One race car, and it was nice to hear it from the passenger seat as well as from behind the car. Like just driving behind him, it sounds really nice and really loud. He's a young kid, so he's probably into that. And stick around because I recommended him to do the Mina Gallery intake for a more supercharger whine, because there's no supercharger whine at all on his car, and it's convertible, so it'd be nice if you can hear it. Balance out the exhaust a little, because his exhaust is way too loud and there's like no induction noise. So I'm gonna send him the link for the Mina Gallery intake, and I'm gonna install the Mina Gallery intakes for him because that's a lot easier to do than what we just did. I think that's it for the video. We're gonna go in and out, we're gonna eat, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and take care. Good night, everyone.